Hello guys, glad to have you back for another session of Nifty and Bank Nifty analysis. Let's analyze Bank Nifty first. So if you look at today, what has happened is, first of all, Bank Nifty opened inside value area of yesterday, which indicates that value traders, whoever are traded yesterday, they were there, they likely will try to take control. Along with that, there is a strong PPOC. So yesterday I was stressing on poor high levels. So if at all prices closes about somewhere around 54,670 to 680 levels, Bank Nifty might go further up to 55,000 levels in a day or two. But what happened, you have good amount of volume clusters and prices opened inside the value area, but then it couldn't able to break the yesterday volume clusters despite of strong delta yesterday in the last 1 hour. But today directional traders couldn't able to take control, and first 30 minutes itself it has closed inside the value area, indicating value traders or non-directional traders are very strong. Along with that, there is a strong delta divergence here. If you look at 1.3k negative delta despite of green candle, so this says that as the prices goes up, at some point of time the sellers step in, and continuously if you focus, there was a close below the COT. In the second candle or in the third candle, there was a continuous close, and directional buyers failed to take the Bank Nifty above the yesterday's poor high. So that indicated that Bank Nifty will try to go towards the value area low. So although the first target will be POC and second target would be value area low. Now what happened is, then again strong selling has come in, and all the way Bank Nifty went down to 54,127, which is inside the value area of this Tuesday. Yesterday and day before I was stressing on these unfinished business at all the way up to 54,000. So Bank Nifty has entered this area, so likely there will be one more lower low. The reason is we have a strong single print around 54,382, and this candle itself, the single print candle itself, is a strong breakout from Thursday low. So unless again Bank Nifty goes above 54,420 to 430 levels, there is a 80 to 90% probability prices will come down all the way down to 54,000, and even there is a good possibility Bank Nifty will go for 53,940. So for Monday, what we should be looking is whether the prices gets accepted inside today's value area. If at all there is a acceptance, you will see a sideways market all the way down, all the way up to single print, and then this single print definitely acts as a very good resistance. So never ever go any kind of longs when the price is just below this around 54,310. So unless, as I said, unless the prices gets accepted above 54,430 levels, it's going to be a downside market. Suppose, let's say, the global markets ends up strongly positive and Bank Nifty opens above this, the resistance that has formed today, the single print, will act as a good support for Monday, and buyers will try to take control. You will see easily 54,600 levels and easily 54,650 levels is very much possible. For further up move, I think you need to watch for follow up buying above 54,670 to 700 levels. So the overall Bank Nifty itself is a double distribution day. If you look at the first distribution has formed around IB, and we have another distribution outside of the IB. So if you know market profile, these double distribution days are the weakest type of trending days, which means likely prices will try to come back again. So this is with Bank Nifty, guys. So coming to Nifty, what has happened yesterday was stressing on the single print at 26,215 levels. So if at all there is going to be a moderate gap up, there is a good possibility Nifty will come back and test this single print, because markets like to balance out. But today the gap up itself is too high, almost 110 points. There was a gap up, and we have an open drive along with the unfinished business at the highs, indicating there could be another one higher high. So what happened in C and D period, we have a failed auction. So whenever you see this failed auction, there will be likely a pullback towards the value area low or POC. So around 11:50 there was a pullback downside to the value area low, and then it was a sideways market all the way, and low itself has been protected. So the low has not been broken, which indicates that buyers are still strong at that point of time. As the prices were coming down, what happened, there was a unfinished business of 1.4k and 1.6k at 1045 high, 1045 handle high. So what you should be looking for Monday is there was a strong PPOC at 26,350, and there is a good unfinished business at 26,390 levels, and there is a good amount of unfinished business at 26,400 levels. So all these are all very good references. If at all there is going to be a gap down opening, then look for whether the prices will test this single print or not. Likely it has to test, that is the ideal scenario. If Nifty gets rejected around this single print, look for a buying opportunity towards this PPOC and towards this unfinished business. Any flat opening Nifty on Monday, it will be again a sideways market covering probably all this 26,400 and this value area low 26,330 levels. If at all there is going to be a moderate gap up of let's say 50 to 70 points, look for first 5 or 15 minutes breakout downside, then likely markets will come down all the way down to PPOC. Or if at all there is going to be a strong gap up, it will be a sideways market, a strong gap up around 26,440 to 460 levels. If there is a gap up, then what might happen is, most probable scenario will be sideways market around first 1 hour. The reason is, whenever you see these kind of strong value markets like it happened today, on the very next days either the prices has to come down towards that value, or if at all gap down or gap up will be there, most probable scenario will be sideways market around the first 1 hour. So if you are looking for any kind of live market update, you can join my Telegram channel by clicking the link in the description, or if you are keen on learning order flow and market profile, you can click on the playlist which I am attaching at the end of this video. Thank you guys, have a nice day.